Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a drink called Sunshine. The first thing I'm going to do to make this drink is to add my grenadine, and the recipe calls for a dash of grenadine. I don't know how much a dash is, so I'm going to put it in a quarter teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon is 1.25 milliliters. Double check the note down below. And I do make my own grenadine, recipes here on the channel, feel free to check it out. And I'm going to put that right into the mixing glass. I'm going to let that grenadine drain out, and I'm going to let the other ingredients start to wash it out a little bit. Then half an ounce of dry vermouth. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed pineapple juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And then 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Give that teaspoon a little bit of swirl to get the grenadine out of there. Get some ice. Add your ice. And give it a stir. Take your strainer and strain it. The recipe says a martini glass. I don't have any martini glasses, so I'm going to use a coupe. Use the glass that you have. Strain it right in there. Oh, that's beautiful. And garnish. The official garnish is not listed. The garnish they have for El Presidente in their book is a slice of orange. If I ever put a slice of orange into that, it would not work well. So instead, I'm going to do what's called a orange queen. And it's just kind of a circular bit of orange rind. I'm going to express it, wipe it, kind of like a twist, and drop it in. And there you have it. Sunshine. Drink with good spirits.